Well guys, here we are ready to harvest potatoes. Welcome back to my channel. These are some of the ones I got out of this grow bag. I wanted to try a grow bag as opposed to one of the boxes, and I noticed that these grow bags are great, but I'm not getting as many potatoes that I would when I grow them in a raised bed. So you can tell that this potato is ready to harvest. Look, it's looking yellow and kind of yucky. So let me see if I could get it out of here. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. There's going to be a struggle with one hand. But I do see a potato. Let's see. Ooh, that's a nice one. Look at that. Let's see. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. There's some potatoes down there. Very nice looking potatoes. Now these potatoes, you can eat them right away, or you can let them cure for about 2 weeks in a dry, location, not in the sun. The sun will make your potatoes poisonous. They'll turn green. That's not good. And the skin right now is very delicate. But I've had them both ways. Now, I don't wash the potatoes until I'm ready to use them. I noticed that if you wash them ahead of time, they rot. And that's something that, you don't want happening. So you see this squishy brown looking potato that's kind of gross? That's the seed potato. That's the one that I originally planted that would give me all the babies. Look how big that thing got. It's like, ugh. But anyway, see, I could probably tip this over now. See, not much of a yield. That's not much. So I think next year I'm not going to use these grow bags. I mean, the potatoes that I'm getting are a nice size, but I'm not impressed. Not impressed. So I wanted to show you guys what they look like. I don't know, what do you think? I don't know where to look in the camera. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like them. Bye.